Yes, you can see.
Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day. We are all pink.
तुम हवा बन मेरी सांसों में उतर जाओ.
Hello everybody. Happy Valentine's Day from us to you all.
I'm eating cheesy steak.
Yes. So we are here at
I'm eating cheesy steak. And look at.
Costco. So welcome to our channel, and we're gonna. You can see the rush behind. So there's a big line. So we are waiting to get something. We like. What do you wanna buy today?
Maybe some clothes
So
or
Yeah.
some groceries.
Or maybe something for Valentine's Day decoration.
that's. So you can see this little stuff like for summer, not too much.
Summer clothes are here.
Yes. So let's see what we can buy. She's trying some new scooter. But we're not gonna buy because we already have one for Sanvi.
Hey.
But if it is like that way, she can also ride it by herself. So this is scooter here for $349. This is good, but we're gonna buy something else like any other bike for this summer for Sanvi. Nut crackers.
Yes.
Moongfali crackers. Little salty.
Mostly.
And
You love them?
Yes.
One question.
yes, Bikaji, both products from India. Hey, what are you getting? Cake bites? Tiramisu is this side. Rich creamy custard brown sugar topping ready for caramelized. ये अच्छा होगा. मैं तो नहीं खाऊंगी तो अच्छा. Oh my god, so much shopping. What do you got? This is my bag actually. Not Sanvi Misha. So my bag was little ripped from some bottom.
Look at.
So this was little ripped. So I thought let's buy a new one. This is only for $10. Good bag, right? So this is Edamame, very healthy. If you're looking for diet, something like that, so you can eat as a snack. Fine. Avocado oil, so it's not very bad. It's like 14 grams protein in this. 14 gram protein in this. Sanvi's dad. So because of Valentine's Day, so many people are coming here to buy stuff. So this is so much rush here. So but still we are getting some stuff. What do you got?
Dosa.
Dosa? So we can make dosa. Happy Valentine's Day. Oh my god. So हमें
अंडा वाली बात नहीं
Dosa is
एक्सपायरी
ready.
डेट देख.
what do you got?
39. हाँ ये सही है. कितना?
Sanvi, you can see this is Kirkland mousse. So Misha can eat it.
Wait, so like
special.
this is chocolate?
Yes, chocolate and everything. Chocolate and you can eat it. This is from I think France, right? Belgium. Made in Belgium.
What?
But okay, let's go to the paneer section. Sanvi, come on.
I know how to raise the chocolate.
देखो 10 डॉलर कितने.
There are lots of paneer.
No.
We are getting paneer. This is our Indian paneer. 2 slices for $9.99. So how much it is? Like 1.75 lb. So this is I think 2 slices. So we're gonna get like 3-4 of this one. That's it because we are vegetarians now.
This is red.
Mandolin. What is this mandolin? So mandolin, some form of chocolate kind of. So they can see such a beautiful chocolates they have prepared, and this is filled with chocolate inside. This is our produce section. We are crossing this area, and so you can see this is actually King of Persia. We are in Costco. Huh? What do you say? This is best stuff here. If you're buying something for home, they have good stuff in here. Whatever is you're getting from Costco stuff is very sturdy and strong and each and everything. And they have so much dry fruit options here. Pistachio and so many varieties like pecans and what else? This almond or again? No, almond. Walnut? What about walnut?
Walnut या अच्छी नहीं होती.
So these are so many options here. We are just buying our stuff like which is what we need for like daily basis. But they have huge kind of like big packets like chickens for $14.99. But huh?
Organic dates.
Can you move it?
What are you taking, Papa?
Dates. यही तो लिया था पिछली बार.
You can see the bunny. Isha?
The bunny.
Giant bunny. Like this is all chocolate made of. And
This is chocolate bunny.
Only for what time? What is the price of this?
This is $140.
Not 20, 139.
That is very expensive. That's not good.
Eat all chocolate and get tired. 10 lb chocolate. 10 lb chocolate. Yes.
So what did you buy?
I was just trying to buy this one. Just juices like you can say. This is a juice with vegetables and fruits. So if you are not eating like food good way, so you can drink little juice.
So it's healthy juice.
Yeah, let me see if we can try.
So Papa, it's so cold in here, right?
Oh my god.
It's so cold in here. It's like a freezer.
Misha is gonna try it.
If I take it,
The best thing is here, you can eat while shopping.
Like samples.
Samples. This is the coldest room here.
Yeah, this is a freezer. That's why it's so
This is a
cold.
full freezer.
Full freezer.
Milk, butter, eggs you can buy. How are you feeling here? It's chilly.
Yeah. Luckily, I have my jacket. My breath is a little bit cold. Like
We have separated this area.
it's butter and everything.
So many things are here. So this bread, you can go, you can buy the bread also. Where is the milk? So we are going to leave. Isha, what are you drinking? Just a lemonade. We are for checkout, not checkout. This is like an exit line. How was your day today?
It was good.
Papa is already struggling, holding the cart. Huh? Struggling, holding cart. This was entrance and exit for. We enjoyed a lot. Like shopping. Shopping enjoyment. Huh? We did shopping enjoyment today. And you can see sunny day here. But snow is still not melting. Sun is just light.
दिखाना जूस कैसा है?
You can see sun.
आइसक्रीम
This is the King of Persia here, and the next side is the mall, King of Persia Mall. So we are waiting here, and we're gonna go home after that. So, how was your day?
It was good. There's not much cold, but still, if you see the ice, snow is still there.
So you can see. But this weekend is gonna snow again.
Not weekend, maybe next week.
Okay, let's go. We're gonna say bye to everybody from here.
Bye bye. Happy Valentine's Day.
bye. Bye. Happy Valentine's Day.
कई बार
करते
हमने वही लगाया ना था आखिर वही किया सजदे का ना मना था यूं जिंदगी बिता दी जहाँ पे
this is our
That's okay. Doesn't
like
matter.
look for today, Valentine's Day. We are enjoying here at Veterans Park. You can see this park. This park is full of snow.
You do like critical.
So,
It's sunny. Still, cold. Snow is not melting down. It's almost.
It's starting to get
almost
little bit
20
soft.
days.
Ah,
This ice and snow is like that.
yes, more than 20 days.
Yeah.
So I already updated with you with this snow conditions, but yeah, I think it's gonna snow again tomorrow. And this is a forest area behind,
Maybe fox will come and eat us.
and we are feeling cold, but it's still like for pictures. We
For all jackets,
You want
just
to-
for the picture, we took off our jackets. All our
yeah,
tools for
there.
snow and
This is
cold.
big-
Everything is there.
Big sacrifice we are doing just to show our
Yeah.
I'm
we are
making our
shivering,
vlog.
It's minus degrees, but still we are just
Yeah.
for the picture we are taking this
Yes.
Valentine Day shots.
Yes.